How to hide online status on Zangi application. Are you guys facing issues to hide your online status on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zangi app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Zangi application, make sure to check out our guide on how to sign up. After you get logged in onto your Zangi app, now scroll down and simply tap on privacy. After you click on privacy, you can see the option for show my online status. You want to turn it off, right? Just toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, your online status will be hidden. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna hide our online status on Zangi application. If you guys have any issues regarding Zangi application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna hide online status on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.